I don't love this lighting, but I forgot it was daylight savings and that there would be less sunlight at this hour. Just pretend it looks nicer, I guess. This is the Unit 2 Lesson 9 retrieval. In our packet, it is on page 82. First thing we have to do is use the given information to create a linear equation in slope-intercept form. As a quick reminder, slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. You've seen that before, I'm guessing. M represents slope, and b represents the y-intercept. So these first ones are really easy because they just give you m and b, so you literally just plug them in. Like, that's all. Y equals 2/3 x minus 18. Yeah, easiest retrieval problems of the whole course so far, I think. For number 3, they give us m, but they don't give us the y-intercept, so we have to figure out what the y-intercept is. So I'm going to make a table. -2, 4 is the point they give me, and they tell me the slope is 8. Now, slope is the same thing as rate of change, same thing as common difference. It's what we're adding or subtracting to get from step to step. So I'm going to be adding 8 to get to the next step, which would be step -1. That'd be 12. Step 0, I add 8 again to get 20, and oh, what do you know? There's my y-intercept. So remember, y-intercept is where the x value is 0. It's step 0. So with that, I can just say y equals 8x plus 20. So not bad. Now the next one is a tiny bit more work because we're given 2 points. They don't tell us what the slope is, so we have to find the slope. Kind of annoying, but it's going to be okay. It's not bad. Slope, remember, is rise over run. So to find the rise, I'm going to do 8 minus -16. So I'm taking y minus y, like this y minus this y. And then the run, I'm going to take this x minus this x, so 2 minus 8. Now negative turns into positive. So 8 plus 16, that's 24. 2 minus 8, that's -6. When I divide those, I get -4. Okay, so now I need to find the y-intercept. I have the slope, I just need the y-intercept. So I'm going to make a table. This time, I'm going to start with the thing that's closer to step 0, which is 2, 8. But this time I have to go backwards to get to step 0. Not a big deal, but we do need to be careful. The slope is -4. So I'm subtracting 4 to get from step to step. So thinking backwards, this number must have been 12. Because 12 minus 4 would get us to 8. So yeah, that works. And then -4, if I'm thinking backwards, this must have been 16. Because 16 minus 4 gets us to 12. Okay, there's our y-intercept. Okay, so that makes this equation y equals -4, because that was our slope, x plus 16. So you either find the slope or you take the given slope, and then you fill out the table until you can find where the y-intercept is. And remember, y-intercept is step 0. Last thing we'll do in this retrieval is combine like terms. So when you have a negative outside of parentheses, make sure you distribute that number. -3 times x is -3x. -3 times 5 is -15. Nothing happens to the -2 because it's not in the parentheses. It's just tacked on to the end here. And then I'm looking for like terms. So x does not have any like terms. There are no other x's. But -15 and -2, those are like terms because they have no x's attached to them. So the x stays, but these two I can combine. -15 minus 2 is -17. It's a weird box, but that's okay. Okay, next we distribute the 7. So 7x minus 28 plus 6. Once again, nothing I can combine with the x, but these two are like terms because they both have no x's attached to them, so I can combine those. -28 plus 6 is -22. And last but not least, we'll distribute the -8 Be careful here, negative times negative is positive, so negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8 minus 11. And these are repetitive, nothing to combine with the x, but these two we can combine because they don't have any x's. So 8 minus 11, that's negative 3. Watch out for those negatives and double negatives, they'll get you.